Okay, greeting guys. It's been a while now. Welcome back to another episode of Dr. DIY's channel. Right, today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to make your detergent, okay, or a degreaser, and it is heavy duty. Yes, they have out there, they got a lot of degreasers, okay, spray type, solution type, powder type, whatsoever you name it, but it's quite pricey when it comes to degreaser, okay, and the effectiveness depends on the chemical content. So today I'm going to show you to make your own degreaser in the house, okay, using simple mix of solution, right? For your information, I'm going to clean this top engine cover by the degreaser which is done today. Okay, so you can see this is a Mitsubishi engine top cover. Okay, this is where you put your engine oil, right? So when you open up this is where your spark plug is. So you can see it's all very dirty. Am I right? So you can wash this by means of soap, but it will be, you have to give a lot of energy to remove all this. That is why you have to use a degreaser. Okay, look at that. Over the usage, it causes stain which can be removed, but you need to use a lot of force. Okay, you need to use a lot of force, and then these are all caused by the wear and tear of the engine mixed with the engine oil. So when it splashes, you have all this stain. Okay, so we are going to wash this with the degreaser and see the end result. Alright, so now how are you going to mix the degreaser? What are the components needed or the solution needed? Okay, first you need to have fuel or petrol. It can be RON 95, RON 97, okay, but the idea is to have a type of chemical which can dissolve heavy metal or heavy particles, okay, or stubborn particles. So we need fuel, right? Dissolve only not enough, we need some sort of cleaning agent, okay, some sort of cleaning agent which is very slippery and smooth when it's being applied, right? So that when you put the layer, you can wash easily. So that is why we need soap powder. So we got fuel, we got soap powder, okay, any brand will do, doesn't matter, right? Then you need, obviously you need another guy which is supply of water. So you need water. Now the composition or the ratio of mixture from my trial and error: 40% fuel, 30% of soap powder, and the balance 30% goes on water. So you mix 40, 30 and 30, 40, 30, 30, so mix it 100, correct? So you mix it. So I'm going to mix it now. Okay, I've already mixed it. 40% of fuel, 30% of water, and 30% of soap powder, right? So obviously the fuel will be on top, the water will be down because of different density. Okay, and the soap will also be down with the water. So now when you want to use, you got to shake this until it becomes pinkish color, pinkish milk color, then only you can use, right? So you just shake it. When you shake it, be careful because there might be some gas release. So you just open up for a while to see whether is there any gas, because we got petrol. Okay, no problem. So continue shaking. So white color will be okay. White, light pink. Okay, and here you go. This is your heavy duty detergent. So now we are going to apply this degreaser or the heavy duty detergent onto the valve cover, engine cover, and we're going to do the cleaning. Okay. Okay. So basically what I did was I just pour a bit of the degreaser onto the cover, and I just waited like about 5 to 10 minutes. I think about 5. You can see the immediate effect. Look at the color of the degreaser. Okay, from it is containing some sort of dirt because it has already acted with the dirt. So you can see, look at it. With just a mild touch, but don't forget to wear gloves. Okay, you see. So now I'm just going to use a steel brush to clean. Okay, and you may also use such a brush, okay, just to rinse inside. Okay, don't use any water. If you need more of the degreaser, just pour it on the surface. Okay. Okay, so we have applied the degreaser. Okay, just bear in mind, this degreaser which you have mixed 40% of fuel, 30% of water and 30% of soap powder, this is considered pure concentration. Okay, so you may dilute with water if you want to use accordingly. Okay, for example, when you want to use, you want to wash undercarriage of the car, you may use pure, or you may dilute with water as you feel necessary. Okay, if you see the place which you need to clean, it is very dirty, full of grease and grime and all those hard particles, then you may use it pure. But if it's moderate or light dirtiness, then you can dilute accordingly. So in this case, I'm using pure. Okay, so I already applied, I've brushed everything. Okay, I brushed everything, you can see I brushed everything. So the next step now is to rinse this with water. When you want to rinse this with water, it is recommended if you have a high pressure water jet. But if you don't have, you can just use normal rinsing water. In my case, I will just rinse. Can you see all the dirt is coming out? So I will have a clean aluminium smooth surface because this is made of aluminium. So this is the end result, a clean aluminium smooth surface free of any sort of dirt, debris, right? So I'm going to do the same thing for the rest. I'm just going to spray water slowly and just going to remove it. Remember, wear a glove and eye protection is needed because this is a very dangerous chemical. Keep out of reach of children. Okay, take necessary precautions. So I'm going to rinse the water and I'll show you the end result now in a while. Alright guys, this is the end result after rinsing off with water. You can see it's very clean, almost 95 to 98% is clean. Okay, some of the dirt stuck inside here. You could really take it out, but you need further brushing by the steel brush. It's very clean. Okay, and the plastic trim. This is the plastic cover. It's also nice and clean. So please bear in mind the solution which is mixed. It is not recommended to use on painted surface, especially on the car body. Okay, it is meant to be used in areas where you need to wash parts of the machine, gears, pulleys, or undercarriage of the car, components of engine, where you have all the hardcore grease. Okay, the hard material, heavy duty, the leftover residue from the grease, or heavy oil, So that is the intended purpose of using the solution. Okay, you may also use to clean fins or radiator or cooling coil, the fins of it, but you need to dilute with water accordingly, right? So hopefully guys, this video gives you the secret remedy of making a of making your own degreaser in the house. Okay, so till we meet again, please help to like this channel, guys. Right, support this channel, like it. Okay, share this channel with your friends, families, relatives, loved ones. Okay, and the most important, subscribe for this channel for more interesting DIY videos where it can be carried out easily at a low cost manner in your house at wherever you are. Right, till we meet again, checking out from Dr. DIY's channel. Greetings, guys. Stay safe. Have a nice day.